Jack made his fuss this morning. The only man still working in town. Despite the cold of his heart, there's a warmth to his heart. I think it must be Christmas today. Snowfall comes softly tumbling, telling tales of Rudolph and his sleigh. There's tinsel on the ceiling. I've got a feeling. I think it must be Christmas. I think it must be Christmas today.